Hello guys, in this video I'm going to talk about control and suffering. I think to some extent we all want to control things, situations, and maybe even people. I think minimal control, it's okay, but excessive control of things or situation or people, it's really not good. So we're going to look at how the need to control causes suffering. Controlling things, oneself or others, can cause stress, and stress leads to health problems such as headache, anxiety, overeating or undereating, restlessness, lack of motivation, and lack of focus. Now, what can one do if you are experiencing suffering due to, for example, control? You can practice mindfulness. Let's look at what Wiki says about mindfulness. Mindfulness is a receptive attention to awareness of present and present events and experience. So basically, you are aware of what is happening around you, in your environment, within yourself as well. Like, how do you feel about the experience that you're going through? And mindfulness have a lot of benefits, and we're going to look at that now. Benefits such as contributing to physical and psychological benefits across both clinical and non-clinical populations, and also promoting wellness and positive function. I personally have tried mindfulness, and it's very helpful. So now and then I do mindfulness. It's so important when we focus on our breathing, taking also deep breath, and I really recommend it to people. Well, as long as we live in life, we will experience suffering. But the good news is that nothing lasts forever. So thanks so much for listening. I hope this was helpful information regarding control and suffering, and how mindfulness can be helpful in this regard. Bye.